Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on the etrade app. We will go through a full guide, helping you understand the process from start to finish. First, we will cover navigating the app to find your desired investments. Then, we will walk through the steps of placing an order, including selecting an asset and choosing an order type. Finally, we will discuss different order types and how to confirm your trade. This guide aims to make your investing experience smooth and confident. Once you have logged into your etrade app, finding your next investment is straightforward. You can use the intuitive search bar at the top to quickly locate stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds by name or ticker symbol. The app also provides robust research tools, including charts, news, and analyst ratings, to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to add promising securities to your watch list for easy monitoring. To place a trade, first navigate to the security you wish to buy. Tap the trade button, then select buy. You will then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Next, input the number of shares you want to purchase or the total dollar amount. Always take a moment to thoroughly review all the details of your order before hitting the Place Order button. Understanding order types is crucial for effective trading. A market order will execute your trade almost instantly at the current market price. A limit order, however, allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay, ensuring you do not overspend. Stop orders can be used to automatically sell a security if it drops to a certain price, helping to limit potential losses. After placing your order, you can track its status in the Orders section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.